Dad and I left Blood Edward Island together. 2 years have passed since then. I had just turned 14 at the time. I was so happy to get to live with Dad. But it didn't turn out to be so simple. Dad bailed as soon as I started high school. He went to work as a scientist at this place called JC Valley.
I'll come home on the weekends.
That's what he said right before leaving for Lake Juliet. But eventually, he stopped coming home. Now I haven't seen him in 6 months.
Come to Lake Juliet for a camping trip.
It was so sudden. Like I have a life too, right? I already have my own plans. But I was worried about him. Oh, finally here. And Dad isn't. Oh, right. Jessica wanted me to check in. My phone... It's in my bag. Oh. Hey! Thief! Give me back my bag! Oh, I lost him. I knew it. I knew I shouldn't have come! This completely sucks. My bag's been stolen. What can I do? My whole life was in that bag. My wallet, my cell phone. I can't even get a hold of Dad now. My band's songbook was in there too. And my teddy bear. Ugh! That kid definitely went through it by now. He's probably laughing at me for carrying a teddy bear around. Ugh. Unluckiest girl in the world. Mom's pendant! Oh, I'm so glad I'm wearing it. This pendant. It's all I have from Mom. I guess it isn't the only thing I have left on me. The DAS Dad sent me. Why did he send it? Ugh, just looking at this thing. It reminds me of him. It's only making me angrier.
You're more important to your dad than you realize, Ashley. I told him when you'll be arriving. He'll pick you up at the bus stop.
Oh, Jessica. Dad definitely did not pick me up at the bus stop. I'm over this. I quit! No way am I camping. I'm getting on the next bus and going home. Oh, wait. I guess I can't. My wallet is in my bag. Which means I need to see Dad if I want to go home. Ugh! Okay. I'll go find Dad at the campsite. And I'll get the money I need to get out of here. And that kid... If I run into him, I'm getting my bag back. Maybe Dad will be at the campsite. Ugh. Oh, man.
There, all done.
Excuse me?
Hmm? Oh, hello there.
Oh, hello.
Now that's some spirit. What can I do for you?
Could you point me toward the campsites?
That depends. Have you checked in yet? Then you'd better go to the guest house first. Someone there can give you a key card to open the gate. The guest house is the white building, just over there.
Thanks. Hey, so...
Huh? Sure?
Thanks. Huh? Huh. Hello? There's no one here. What is this music? Does this place have its own theme song or something? Okay, this is not my jam. Hey, so... Huh? Hmm. Hmm. Huh. Huh?
Come to where the sky is blue. Come to where the birds sing too. Dance away your cares, shake 'em loose.
Oh. This is... Huh. Hmm?
Oh, Lake Juliet, doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo-doo.
What?
Juliet and you. Come to where the sky is blue. Come to where the birds sing too. Dance away your cares, shake 'em loose. Come one, come all. Where a cool breeze blows and clean water flows. Just a short stone's throw. Come on down to Lake Juliet.
Huh? 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 Hmm? Huh.
Have you stopped by the guest house?
Yeah, but it was empty. I assumed it was closed today.
That's strange. It shouldn't be. He must have been taking another one of his breaks.
Who?
There's a student working at the guest house part-time. Not the hardest worker I've ever seen. Takes a lot of breaks.
Huh. Really?
I'm sure he'll be back soon.
I guess I'll try again then.
Good plan.
Unluckiest girl in the world. First my bag stolen, now the guest house is empty. It's just one thing after another.
Is something wrong? I'm Dan Maxwell, a forest ranger.
Oh, cool. Like a forest cop?
One of my jobs is to help folks in trouble. Call me Dan. What's your name?
Ashley. Ashley Mizuki Robbins.
Well, hi there, Ashley. Mind telling me what happened?
Someone stole my bag.
What? That's terrible.
I was at the bus stop and a boy snuck up behind me. He snatched my bag and ran off.
A boy, you say?
I'd just gotten off the bus, too. Unluckiest girl in the world, huh?
I see. I'm sorry that happened. Can you describe the stolen bag?
Well, it's a blue backpack about this big.
Thanks. Got it. I'll keep my eyes out for the boy and your bag when I'm on patrol.
Thank you so much.
Just in case, I'd like you to file a theft report at the guest house. You should tell your parents about it too, if you haven't yet. Are they here with you?
Dad's at the campsite. Probably.
Whew. That's a relief to hear. You must be shaken, but I hope you can relax once you meet up with your dad.
If he was remotely normal, then yeah, maybe.
I bet that kid is back from his break by now. Why don't you try the guest house again?
Yeah, okay. Thanks for your... What?
Oh, Lake Juliet, doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo, Lake Juliet and you. Come to where the sky is blue.
Oh.
Come to where the birds sing too. Dance away your cares. Shake
'em
loose. Come one. Where a cool breeze blows and clean water flows. Just a short stone's throw.
Ugh.
Come on down to Lake Juliet.
Huh. That... Oh.
Oh, Lake Juliet, doo-doo-doo.
This is...
Doo-doo-doo, Lake Juliet and you.
All right.
Come to where the sky is blue. Come to where the birds sing too. Dance away your cares, shake 'em loose. Where a cool breeze blows and clean water flows. Just a short stone's throw. Come on down to Lake Juliet.
Ah! Too much!
Whoa, cut it out.
Huh?
Oh, hey, hands off the dial.
It was an accident!
Are you like a customer?
I've been asking for help, but you must not have heard me.
Oh, no, sorry.
What were you doing back there?
Writing my music.
Really? You were writing a song?
Yeah, I was on my break. But now we got a customer, so break time's over, I guess. Hello there. Welcome to Lake Juliet.
Back on the clock now, huh?
I'm Tommy Harrison, Guest House Chief of Staff.
Chief? I heard you worked here part-time.
Where'd you hear that?
Dan the forest ranger told me about you. Said you're a bit of a slacker. implied you take a lot of naps.
Aw, man, you really said that? It's that song. Whenever I hear it,
Nah, I get it. I heard it. Once is enough.
Right? You understand. It's such an earworm. Makes it so hard to write my own music. So what can I do for you?
I'd like to check in for the campsite.
Okie doke. Just a sec. Just take this form and sign your name.
Ashley Mizuki Robbins.
Ashley? Oh, you must be Dr. Robbins' daughter. He said you were coming. He asked me to help you out.
He asked you to help me instead of coming himself? Typical.
Here you go. Use this key card to get around. We keep the entrance gate locked. But this will get you through. Do you have any bags? Or do you just like to travel light?
I had a bag, but some kid stole it.
Are you serious? Ugh, kids these days.
Oh, right. Dan told me I should file a theft report here. Can I do that now?
Sure thing. Here's the form. Fill it out, and I'll give it to the police.
And there. Done.
Looks good. I'll take it from here.
Thanks, Tommy.
Man, there's been a lot of weird stuff going on lately.
Earlier you said you were writing a song.
Yeah, I write the songs for my band.
Cool.
First, I come up with the melody and the chord progression, and then we work on the song together as a band.
Wow. That's pretty awesome.
I could talk your ear off about this stuff all day. When I get going about music, it's hard to stop. My boss says I should put the same effort into my work.
What other weird stuff has been going on around here?
Nothing all that major, just odd little things. Like 3 days ago, some food went missing from storage. Then today, your bag got stolen. Not to mention this shady guy in a black suit checking in alone. That guy did not look ready to camp. Hope he's not here to cause any trouble.
Is this place dangerous?
Nah, not really. It's just a quiet little town. I've worked here for 3 years with no problems.
You've been doing this a long time.
I'm buds with the owner. Lets me work between college semesters. But I'm graduating this year, so this is my last season. Okay, you're good to go. Enjoy Lake Juliet.
Thanks.
Oh yeah, this is your first time here, right?
Yep.
Then you should check out the shop. We got refreshments, some souvenirs, a rock from the mine.
A rock?
It's cooler than it sounds. Take a picture and you'll see. Oh, and there's a sale. All the stuff on that shelf is $5.
Nice. Too bad I don't have any money on me.
No worries, you don't need cash. Just use the card I gave you.
You can use it to shop?
Yep, the card keeps track, and you'll settle your bill at checkout. I bet yours will be paid for by your...
My dad? I might have to do some shopping then.
Ole
Pretty cool, right? The color changes in pictures.
Wow, I've never seen.
They used to mine these rocks in the area.
A cool breeze blows and clean water flows. Just a short stone's throw. Come on down to Lake Juliet. Oh, Lake Juliet, doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo-doo, Lake Juliet and you.
Huh.
Come to where the sky is blue.
Yeah.
Come to where the birds sing too. Dance away your cares, shake 'em loose. Come one and come home.
Thanks.
Where a cool breeze blows and clean water flows.
Huh.
Just a short stone's throw. Come on down to Lake Juliet.
Hmm.
Thanks.
Huh? Wait.
Oh, right. Thanks.
Hmm?
Thanks.
Oh,
Hmm.
Lake Juliet, doo-doo-doo.
Oh, what should I do?
Lake Juliet and you. Come to where the
Thanks.
sky is blue. Come to where the birds sing too.
Yeah.
Dance away your cares,
Um.
shake 'em loose. Come one and come home. Where a cool breeze blows
Thanks.
and clean water flows.
This.
Just a short stone's throw. Come on down to Lake Juliet.
Thanks.
Huh?
Thanks.